Hello everyone, this is Professor Vincent Torre Bongolan. On this video, I will walk you through the importance of conducting research and how technology helps us. This will surely make us more self-sustaining and can even help us quit with our job. We can just offer freelancing services only if you know the know-how in conducting research, only if we are aware of the technicalities in conducting research. Like this video, for example, what methods I have applied and used to conduct this research about the richest YouTube content creators around the world. What tools do I use to scrape data? It's basically one of the Python's library called Beautiful Soup. Later on this video, I will walk you through how to use Beautiful Soup library on Python. Alright, so research is critical to the advancement of knowledge and understanding every field of study. It is a systematic investigation of a subject that aims to discover or contribute to new knowledge, solve problems, and inform in decision making. There are few reasons that contributes to this knowledge. Why research is important. It helps us expand our knowledge. Research helps us to expand our knowledge and understanding of a particular subject or phenomenon. It can lead us to the development of new theories, concepts, and ideas. Improved in decision making. Research provides a solid foundation for making informed decisions. It can help policymakers, business leaders, and other decision makers to identify problems and develop effective solutions. Promote innovation. Research often leads to the development of new technologies, products, and services. It can also provide a platform for exploring new and innovative ideas. Enhance credibility. Research provides evidence to support arguments and ideas. It can help enhance the credibility of an argument and make it more persuasive. Solve problems. Research can help us to identify the root cause of a problem and develop effective solutions based on the insights. It can also help us to evaluate the effectiveness of existing solutions and identify key areas for improvement and for our career improvement or development. Research can be a valuable tool for career development. It can help to build expertise and knowledge in particular field and can also lead to new opportunities for collaboration and networking. Now, what is the current situation of research with the use of technology? We are all aware that technology has revolutionized the way research is conducted, making it more efficient, accurate, and accessible. For data collection, technology has made it easier to collect and analyze data. Online surveys, questionnaires, and interviews can be conducted remotely, allowing researchers to research or reach a wider audience. Sensors, wearables, and other devices can also collect real-time data on various parameters. Data analysis. Advances in computing power and software have made it easier to process and analyze large volume of data. For collaboration, technology has made it easier for researchers to collaborate with colleagues from different institutions and disciplines around the world. For literature review, technology has made it easier to search, access, review relevant literature. Researchers can use online databases and search engines to find articles, books, and other sources. We can also use chatbot to help us in conducting research. For publishing, technology has made it easier to publish research results. Researchers can submit their papers to online journals and publications. And of course, for communication. Technology has made it easier to communicate research results to a wider audience. Researchers can use social media, blogs, and other platforms to share their findings with the public and engage in discussions with stakeholders. Alright, so my next video will going to discuss how beautiful soup is very helpful when it comes in conducting research, especially today that there are so many numbers, so many billions of data, you know, how many trillions of data are being generated every seconds of the day. And how do we scrape data from different websites? Like this one. How do we know that this person, T-series, is the second, richest man on YouTube? And who is the first millionaire or billionaires or the richest man in YouTube?